Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech channel. So friends, today we are talking about ASUS GeForce RTX 5070 Ti White Edition with triple fan cooler. So friend, ASUS had launched two new graphics cards in Japan based on NVIDIA RTX 5070 series and the first of the ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 5070 Ti White OG Edition, which comes with 8960 CUDA cores and 16 GB of latest GDDR7 memory and running at 28 Gbps on a 256 GB bus on a 256-bit bus, and these cards support PCI Express 5.0 and feature a distinct white color and backplate, and it's built with durable military grade components including coils and MOSFET, and the cooling system includes the MaxContact heat spreader that improves the contact area while the GPU by 5%, and as well a phase change thermal plate designed to boost heat transfer, and the card measures 329 mm in length, 140 mm in width and 2.140 mm in width and 62.5 mm in thickness, and roughly 140 mm in width and 62.5 mm in thickness. And the second card is ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 5070 12GB OC edition, target user who need smaller and more compact solution, and this card has a 6144 CUDA cores and that's only 2.53 slot thick and making it comfortable with small form factor builds, and this card dimension and smaller, measuring 249 mm in long, 126 mm in width and 50.6 mm in thickness, and weight around 855 grams, and both cards equipped with and both card required 16-pin power connector and provide multiple output options including HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.1. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.